Hi, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at a rare database of the 100 top Saudi family investment offices. To be clear, this is the who's who of Saudi Arabia family investment offices. The 2025 Saudi Arabia Family Investment Office Database. This presentation introduces an exclusive verified database of 100 Saudi family investment offices and 280 key decision makers representing the most private and influential sources of capital in the kingdom. Compiled from confirmed institutional and family office disclosures and fully updated for 2024 and 2025, it provides a rare window into Saudi Arabia's rapidly expanding family investment ecosystem. Now, the database identifies single and multifamily offices across Riyadh, Jeddah, Daman, and Al-Khabar, each verified for active global investment mandates in private equity, venture capital, real estate, infrastructure, and private credit. Now, you're going to see the Excel spreadsheet coming up in a little bit. Now, unlike generic investor directories, this data set isolates families with confirmed capital deployment programs, recent transaction activity, and identifiable investment principles. It offers actionable intelligence for fund managers, developers, and advisors seeking to build authentic relationships and raise capital from high net worth Saudi families with institutional grade sophistication. It represents a strategic capital intelligence platform designed to streamline cross-border fundraising, enhance investor targeting, and directly connect users to the who's who of Saudi private wealth. So let's look at the key database components. So this includes 100 family investment offices, 280 key contacts, and includes 135 key contact emails and key description of firms, websites, company emails, and more. So why this database is unique? It's designed for accessing leading Saudi family investment offices. One, curated and direct access to Saudi family capital. It's purpose-built for fund managers, developers, and advisors seeking access to Saudi Arabia's most influential family investment offices. This database provides a verified gateway to the kingdom's private capital ecosystem. Focused exclusively on active investing families, active allocators, so there's 100 plus family investment groups, holding companies deploying proprietary capital across private equity, real estate, venture, industrial, and diversified sectors. Strategic investors, so these are offices managing multi-sector portfolios across Saudi Arabia, the GCC, and international markets, including energy, logistics, infrastructure, and financial services. And direct capital access, so it's ideal for managers and sponsors pursuing co-investments, joint ventures, or private placements with family-owned capital groups. Secondly, proprietary, verified, and institutional grade. So this is a combination of two institutional databases that I have that basically combine 2024 and 2025 disclosures. So each profile is validated for ownership holdings and active investment mandates. Key database highlights, as covered before, so there's 100 family investment offices. These include key groups like Rajhi, Qahtani, Abunayyan, Al Sharif, MASIC, Nazma Holding, Ajlan Bros, Al Jameh, and Faisaliah Group. So the who's who of the ultra high net worth Saudi ecosystem. Again, 280 key contacts, and these are key contacts such as chairman, CEOs, CIOs, head of family investments, and so on. Comprehensive profiles, institutional accuracy. Now, why this database matters? Well, simply put, Saudi Arabia's family investment offices represent one of the GCC largest private capital pools, estimated at between $250 and $300 billion in diversified assets. Guided by Vision 2030, these groups are expanding rapidly into renewables, technology, healthcare, and global real estate. So this database identifies verified family offices and key decision makers, enabling direct, high-value engagement with Saudi private capital. Okay, so who can benefit from this database? Firstly, fundraisers and capital advisors for professionals raising capital across private equity, real estate, and venture strategies, targeting Saudi and GCC family offices. I also have family investment offices for the Middle East as a whole, if you're interested in taking a look at that as well. But to connect directly with verified family investment groups managing proprietary portfolios, and it's ideal for placement agents and advisors seeking qualified relationship-based access to family capital. Secondly, fund managers, developers, and corporate sponsors. So this is for managers, developers, and business owners pursuing co-investments or joint ventures. So you can gain visibility into Saudi family groups, allocating to private equity, energy transition, industrial ventures, and international holdings. So it's perfect for sourcing strategically family-backed investment alliances. Thirdly, strategic advisors and institutional consultants. For consultants advising on fundraising, market entry, or family office partnerships, you can access, again, 100 family groups expanding across key sectors. And it simplifies relationship building and execution through current actionable decision-making profiles. And lastly, international firms and cross-border connections. For firms structuring partnerships or capital placements across GC, and global markets. Covers leading Saudi family groups and reach into MENA, Europe, and Asia, and enables introductions to diversified investors seeking cross-border opportunities. Now, you cannot scrape these type of contacts from the web. These are very hard to find. I've been working on family investment office databases for a number of years, and these ones that I have, not only for the Middle East, but the individual ones for Saudi and UAE, for example, are the most comprehensive that you're going to find. So it's really important that these are great time savers for you, so you can start to do your outreach automatically as soon as you get the database. So let's take a look at the database. First, a key database disclosure. I like to add this to all my videos. My extensive database library provides hundreds of thousands of global contacts, typically including profiles, emails, and websites, though not all details are complete. Now, it's primarily compiled and updated from 2021 to 2025, with most of the key updates in the last couple of years. Now, this corporate resource may include contacts whose roles have since changed. It's designed as an excellent starting point for outreach. It's best leveraged and continually refined by organizations with dedicated data teams. To be clear, this is not a database that you use to spam. This is a research database for you to really target it on who your potential investment opportunities are going to come from. So this database comprises a blend of individuals and companies, each with distinct investment criteria and operating condition. So there's no guarantee your approach will be favorably received. Note, this database is available to corporate or groups only, no personal sales. Okay, now we're over on the spreadsheet part. So you can see as we scroll down to the bottom, you've got just a little bit over 100 key family investment offices. So you're getting their firm name, bit of information about their background, so you can do some screening there. Again, all family offices, all based in Saudi. And then over on this side, you're going to get the website, company, email, telephone, and year established. So that's going to cover off the firms. Now let's take a look at the key contact details. So the key contact details are going to give you, again, the family office name. You're going to get the key name of the person. You're going to get the role and their title. So that allows you to take a look at, for example, board of directors, investment team, or any other categories that might be of interest. You can also take a look at them by their asset class responsibility. The majority of these are going to be general. Almost all of them are going to have some sort of a real estate component. And then you're going to get, in this particular database, you're going to get some emails, and you're also going to get information on their telephone number. If you don't have their email, it's really simple. Just plug their name into LinkedIn, and you're going to get about a 98% hit on those. And most of the database that I have here has been updated in up to April 2025. So you're going to get very, very accurate numbers, not only from your outreach, but also by trying to do research using LinkedIn as well. So that covers the Saudi Family Investment Office database, which is a great resource for you to use if you're looking to raise capital in 2025 and beyond. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit bigger, for larger capital raises, my verified database of 24,000 global funds is perfect. It's all the funds raised since 2022, and it has 400 fundraising executives, 277,000 emails. Again, it's a large capital raises. Think anywhere from 3 million to 100 million, coverage across all regions, asset classes, and strategies, and it's the most complete global capital access tool available. I've got videos on this, and it is up to date as of the quarter of 2025. For more information, contact DubaiInvestorsList.com. That's DubaiInvestorsList.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.